I like this highlight. Concealer. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this cool, nice look. This was my attempt on doing a halo eye. This is my first time doing a halo eye. I hope it looks halo. If not, I'm going to keep doing it until I get it right. But I like how this whole look turned out, and if you do too, please keep watching and I'll show you how to do it. So I already have moisturizer and lip balm on, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And today I'm going to use this cute little tiny sample that I got of this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. Hopefully it's not going to make me look too oily, but I'm trying to give my face a nice glow. So let's pray that it does that. And then we're going to go in with our color corrector. I'm using the E.L.F. color corrector in Deep Skin. So I'm going to go ahead and put them where my dark circles are. And then with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all in. I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair to the back a little bit. Today I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty in 340 as my foundation. Fenty is I would say a medium coverage foundation, so I'm definitely going to have to put another pump or two, but it does cover really well. And it feels really light on your skin. So yeah, so my battery died in the middle of this, and I feel like technology just hasn't been nice to me this week. I don't know why, but it just won't work for me. So I've had a hard time putting my videos together. But I'm back, so let's keep going. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face with this Maybelline Insta Age Rewind in medium. I feel like my face looks so tan. I don't know. But yeah, I like this concealer. It has a little sponge applicator. I feel like this color might be too light, but that might be good to tone down the tan a little bit. I don't know how I like this oil primer because I feel like my foundation and concealer are just slipping all over the place, but hopefully we can make it work. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my tried and true Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Powder Foundation in Rich Tan. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with this Forever 21 eyeshadow primer. I used this for my last video. I thought it was fine. I didn't go and get another primer, so I guess I'm okay with this one. So we're gonna try to attempt a halo eye today. I can't make any promises that it's gonna be great, but we're gonna try. Now I'm going to go ahead and just set my eyes with the same powder foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to use this orange right here. So with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go ahead into that orange, tap off the excess, and just kind of work it into my crease. Now, you want to make sure you tap off enough excess because this is highly pigmented. So really work this into your crease. So I'm fanning this up a little bit just to be right below my brow bones. So it's just a light color of orange right below my brow bones. And I'm holding my brush at the end, like closer to the end, just so that it has like a light hand. Like Now that we have that blended out nicely, we're going to go into the next color over, which is this color right here. So we were using this one. Now we're going to go in with this one. And I'm just going to use the same brush to go over that. And I'm just going to go over the crease a little bit more. I'm not bringing that color all the way up, I'm just kind of keeping it in the crease. Get your inner corners as well because we are trying to attempt a halo eye. I'm going to take my E.L.F. palette. This is the Aqua Beauty palette that E.L.F. has. They have really pretty colors and we're going to go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to take another fluffy brush. Now these are very creamy foil type colors, so they're like the kind that you can literally just take with your fingers and just go into your eyes with. But I'm just going to use a brush because I'm going to try not to get it into the middle portion of it and just the outside and the inside. These colors are very, very, very vibrant. So I'm getting this end and going over and getting this end and just moving it in just a little bit, but I want to make sure I leave a space right in the middle. Now we're going to go in with this Beauty Basics palette in Sweet Taffy. This is something that I got in my February Ipsy, I believe. I'm going to use a flat shadow brush to apply this. So I'm going to wet my brush. You can use a setting spray, you can use water. And then you want to go right into the middle section. See, right there like that. And that was just with one application. That's not bad. And then I'm going to go in with that same red, but I'm just going to use the brush that I used with the excess red on it, and I'm going to just kind of blend that in. So I'm going over the top, and then I'm going over the sides a little bit, just to make it seem like it's kind of like just all kind of blending in together. I'm going to take some more of that Sweet Taffy color and just do right in the center. Right there. Just to give that color a little bit more of a vibrant look. So I lost footage of me doing the other eye. I'm telling you, technology hates me. But you pretty much do the same thing to the other eye, and then I added some pencil liner to both lids, and then I'm just going to smudge it out. So I'm just smoking it out just a little bit, my liner. This is actually, I feel like, one of the easier ways to do a liner on your lids because you don't have to worry about being precise. You just literally just have to put a line and just kind of smoke it out. Now I'm going to go back in with my pencil liner and just go over the line a little bit just to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm going to go ahead and just do my brows real quick, and I'm going to use this Ofra eyebrow pencil in Universal. I'm just going to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara by L'Oreal. For lashes, I'm going to be using my Ardell Demi Wispies. Okay guys, now that I have my lashes in, these lashes were a little bit on the difficult side for some reason today, but I got them in. Anyways, while these are drying, I'm going to go ahead and work on my bottom lid. For my bottom lid, I'm actually going to go back into my 35B Morphe palette. I'm going to use that red that we used for our transition, and I'm just going to use a fluffy pencil brush for that. And then just for the outer edges, I'm going to go in with that foil red. Now I'm going to go in with my pencil liner again and just do the bottom line. I do my waterline and bring it a little bit on the outside too. Then with my smudger end of this pencil again, I'm just going to smudge it out a little. Then you just want to put mascara on your bottom lashes as well. I'm actually going to go back in with my Maybelline Better Skin and just set my face just a little bit more because I feel like it's looking a little oily. So I don't know how much I am liking this primer. For my contour and for my blush, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Professional Paris palette. I'm going to use this to contour, for my blush, and then for my highlight. I'm just going to use all three and see how that goes. I don't know how much this contour will show up on my skin. It's not bad. Though I do like a deeper contour. Maybe it'll be good for my nose contour. I feel like it's turning out to be more of a red color. This contour is really not doing it for me. So I'm going to have to go in with what I always use, which is my NYX Pro palette, and I'm going to use the color Sepia right here. There you go, that's better. I feel like I'm looking so red and pink. I want it for my eyes, but not for my contour. I'm just going to go back in with my Beauty blender just so that it looks a little bit more seamless. So I'm going to try to go back into my Makeup Forever palette, and I'm going to use this for my blush and see how that goes. Oh, I don't regret that. That's not bad. And I just go back in with my powder brush and just brush off the excess so that it kind of all blends in really well together. I'm gonna see if I should use this as my highlight, so let me just swatch it real quick. I think that's not bad, right? Hopefully. Alright, we're just gonna go in. So I'm just gonna use this fluffy fan brush. It's not bad. It's not bad. What do you guys think? It has a little bit of a glow. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Makeup Forever to highlight my brow bone. And I'm gonna take that into my inner corners as well. It has a touch of pink, so it kind of just goes in with the whole eye look. Now for my lips, I'm not sure what I want to do. I kind of wanted to do a darker lip. I'm going to try the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhagen. I believe I've used this color once before for my video, and I liked it then. You know what? I think I like this. Put my hair down. So this is the final look. This is the lips that I decided to do. So I think the whole look looks nice together. The halo eyes, I believe, turned out pretty nice. I don't know if it has all blended in and it doesn't look so halo anymore, but I think it still turned out really, really nice. I know it looks a little matchy-matchy, but I kind of feel like the whole thing goes. And I know it doesn't have much of a spring vibe, but where I live, the weather doesn't seem very spring. So, you know what? I'm going to keep my look a little fall and winter as well. If you like this look, please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment letting me know if you would have chosen a lighter lip or you do like this lip color. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I love you guys. Bye. It is too late at night to be talking right now.